Hey, if you want to set passwords on your videos, photos, screenshots, or any stuff that you have on your device, like for example documents or PDF files, all you have to do is just to go into the app drawer, and now we have to open the Google Files. And now from this we have to scroll, move into the save folder, and now we have to choose a lock method. You can go for the pin or for the pattern. Let's go for this pattern. So for example, we have to connect at least 5 dots, and we have to click next and repeat with the same pattern. Then click next. Now click OK, and as you can see from this I've got like nothing, but let me show you how to move some stuff. Let's say that I want to move right here for example the screenshots. So I have to go into the images, then go into the screenshots, and now I'm gonna select all screenshots that I want to actually select. For example, I would like to get this 6 screenshots. So I have to click on the 3 dots in the right upper corner and select move to the save folder. Now I have to input my pattern, and as you can see it was all moved into the save folder. It was not copied, it was moved. Now when I open it and input my password, here I can find my files. And this is the best way to protect your data, your sensitive data on the Nothing Phone 2a. For sure you can also do this for the audio files. Take a look, for example this one. So everything, the PDF files, the documents, you can actually move right here without any problem. There we go. And also you can click right here on the 3 dots and even hide the save folder. So now it's like completely hidden from unwanted persons. And that's how it looks. Right now please subscribe to my channel.